Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is my 28th day of 90-day challenge of spoken English. So today I'm going to tell you, today I'm talk about patience. How patience can make us comfortable for speaking. How patience can make our environment comfortable when we start speaking English. Okay. So as I told you in my previous videos also, I do some practice for improving my spoken English. So as I told you that I watch some videos on YouTube and listen podcast also. So I'm used to watching video of there is a channel in YouTube. Its name is Buddhism, and there is a monk who gives teachings of Buddha. So recently I watched his video, and in which he was talking about patience. Means uh, means he elaborated how patience make us calm, make us light. So so today my topic is patience, and how I relate to how I relate patience to my this journey. And I'm telling you how patience can help, how patience helped me a lot to to go with the flow, with my challenge, with my these practices. Okay, so in this starting, if I give my example to you, what are the means you know what I mistake, what I did a mistake in the starting, related to patience. So when I started my journey in that application that I used to, that on which I talk with strangers. So in the starting, when even I just means I had been talking on that application for a week. Then I talked to an English teacher who was from UP, and I, because at that time, means I'm bit used to of using that application, and I was like, maybe I learn how to speak, and now I would be become very fluent, in less time. Then when I was talking to that teacher, then I asked him, sir, how may I fluent in 1 month? Then he told me, no, you have to take at least 6 months. Then I was like, seriously? And he told me, he again started asking me, who told you that you would be fluent in 1 month? Then I told him, no one, I'm just asking. Then see, means my patience level is like very less at that time, because these things takes really lots of time. Okay, so patience means we means as a human being we have very less patience. We lost our patience in a second. That I was talking about that Buddhist monk who gave teachings about patience. He told in that video that whenever something happened with us, we were in hurry. Okay, whenever we are in hurry, and suppose we have to be download something in our phone, and at that time network are not working properly. So how do you feel at that time? Means we are just losing our patience. So it is very bad thing. I mean, seriously, it's just a network, and it will come after a minute, after 5 minutes, and it is, if we can say that it is no living thing. Even he don't know you are angry on that particular network. Seriously, it is very, erratic thing, I mean foolish thing. So I mean, of course, all the human beings, I do also the same mistake, so that's why I'm saying. And there's so many examples, there's so many little examples on which we lost our patience. Suppose we suppose we make a call to anyone, and maybe he's busy, that's why he can't able to pick our call, and we started losing our patience and started even abusing him, and we even angry on him. Then these are the very short things. I mean, what happened? Maybe literally he's doing any work, that's why he can't able to pick our call. So, and whenever we start, if I talk about that journey of speaking English, of course it takes time. When if I talk about our native language, in our childhood we can't speak, we can't speak even that word in our native language. Our parents always gave us little example, and all the time they repeat the native language. That's why we are used to speak that native language. So I mean, how can we learn this language even a month? If I took my example, so it is very strange and unpleasant thing. And of course, like whenever we start anything, then why we start thinking about time? We have to be thinking about like proficiency. Of course, I mean, why whenever we, even if I talk about myself, whenever we now I'm improving. As I took this challenge, now I'm thinking very positive, and even I'm follow now I started following very nice people. So I have a positive aura around me, so that's why I'm reducing all these negative things from my life. So means whenever we start, like in I mean I was talking about past, like when I was not able to control my patience in the starting. Like always start I like whenever we start anything new thing, then we just think that maybe like we always consider that this thing will be complete in a very short time. Why? we have to be we have to be focused on that efficiency, proficiency. We always focus on time. Means there's nothing to be like losing patience. Patience is the key to reach at any zenith. So I mean, zenith is the climax point. So I mean, this is a quote actually. What is that? uh, Patience is the key to reach zenith, a climax point. So of course, so all these things from my side. If you really think that my efforts will help you even a very bit, so please support me. And if I of course I did many mistakes also, sorry for that, I'm improving. So please support me, bear with me, stay tuned with me. Jai Hind.